Hello, friends. Around 10 or 15 years back, we were actually going from shop to shop to buy our groceries or our necessities for the family. So, after that, there was a transformation that a supermarket had come where we went to a supermarket where all the goods were flocked and we used to purchase everything under one shop, under one roof. Now, let us try to transpolate this to insurance and investments. When we are making our investments, we try to go from an investment house to an investment company to other vehicles of investment to see which is the best investment in every phase of our life. Now, if there is an organization, if there is an investment house which is going to give you all the products which is needed for different phases of your life, will it not be good enough? For example, what are the basic and the mandatory investments we have to make in our life? First and the foremost is life insurance, a coverage for our life so that our family is protected from the loss of income. The second thing is, once our family grows, we need health insurance so that our savings does not get eroded, and we try to make use of the health insurance whenever there's a need for some hospitalization or an illness or something like that. Going a little further, we need to also make a provision for our children's education or their marriage, which is very important for us. Then after our active work life, we need a retirement income which is very consistent, which is guaranteed, and which will continue till our end of life. So now I have spoken about 4 products. One is life insurance, another is health insurance, another is provision for our commitments like children education or children marriage, and the fourth thing is the retirement life. If you are getting all these 4 products under one roof, under one investment house, will it not be great transformation of things to happen? Yes, this is an organization where it has been in the industry for more than 65 years. It has got a trusted logo in the mind of people. It has got deep rooted into urban and rural areas. It has won many awards for its service to the common public. It is one of the top insurance companies in Asia. And it has been having a sovereign guarantee from the government of India for whatever investments you are making into it. So when you have all these features in this investment house, and when it is going to give all the investment products under one banner, under one investment house, will you not go to that particular supermarket? Why can't you go for it? Then, if I try to tell something which is going to be an icing on a cake, that if you find all these features or all the plans into one product, like insurance, like capital appreciation, like retirement fund or a pension for your lifelong tenure, will you not be fascinated with that? It's a combo plan. It's a combo of features clubbed together into a finer product which gives you life insurance coverage, which gives you capital appreciation, which gives you retirement income throughout your life. Will you not be impressed with that product? What more can you ask for? And I'll tell you, my dear friends, trust me, this is one of the best products in the world, which is going to give you a guaranteed returns, not only for your capital appreciation, but also for the pension all through your life. And then, above all, topping it, life insurance coverage at any point of time. This is one of the best products in the market so far. And if you're not going to take it, you're missing something really wonderful in life. It is just like you're going to a mountain, found a gold mine and left it like that and come back. It is just like you are not taking any stocks on the market has stumbled. It is something that you are not exploring the richness in life. So if you want to take this combo plan, if you want to have all the 3 basic elements and the mandatory elements in your plan or the features in this combo plan, contact me at the description box where I have given my mobile number, and we will try to plan what a brilliant combo plan you can take so that your life is fulfilled with richness, guarantee, peace of mind, and prosperity. Okay, friends, with these few words, I'll end my video. and pass on this video to your friends and relatives. You want to have a similar richness in life so that they also can be benefited just like how you are. See you when you talk to me. Bye. All the best. Happy investing.